Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything and nothing.
Alright, it is a Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. What does that mean? We're going to do a mask. There's also a link in the description box to the playlist. And that will lead you to all of the other beauty ninjas and what they are doing for their Mask Mondays. So go check them out when you are done here. And if you are here from over there, welcome to the madness. So today we are going to use the Koneuk, K-O-N-E-U-K, Koneuk Shea Butter Collagen Essence Mask. So we're going to put that on, and then we're going to open up a couple of boxes and find out what my husband decided to buy on WhatNot. I'm just going to put our little Egger mask cover on here. Ow! It's my ear. I'll tell you what. Let's find out what is in the first box. Alright, now my husband has opened up the box to make sure all of his purchases are into boxes. So, we are finding out what is in these boxes. Okay, so WhatNot is this auction site. I'm not really sure how much he spent on all of this. I'm not asking. Let's just say my husband shops like I do. Okay, so first off we have a Liberex hair straightener brush. And I'm assuming this is for me, so I'm going to open it. Alright, hair straightener brush brings you silky hair within reach. Hair straightener brush. Alright, this is what comes in the box. It's got a little register your product thing, a little user manual, then we have the brush, and it is corded. And it says it goes up to 450 degrees. I have straight hair, but it's only straight when it's short. It's wavy when it's long. So, maybe I'll grow my hair out and use it. Alright, next up we have Vojek stereo headphones. I know these are not for me, so I won't open those. Next up we have, which came in the same package, this Taylor Swift tote. And each of these is one of her albums. I'm assuming. I don't know. I don't listen to Taylor Swift, but it seems logical. And it comes with a matching makeup bag. I'll listen to Taylor Swift. So we'll probably give that to my niece for her crafting stuff. And that is what's in the first box. This is the second box. Content. Alright, I know this one is for me. Vojek Grow Light. Because I want to turn part of this room into a seed starting. And it looks like a desk lamp with LED lights. This is not what I was expecting. I thought it was like a grow light, like a shop light. Are these specific to something? I don't know. I will have to take a look. It comes with the light, which looks like, oh, it clips on like a desk lamp. It's got a little cord here and some instructions all that good stuff. Alright, the next thing we have here is a Debutawn automatic foam soap dispenser. Probably for his bathroom. We have a boys and girls bathroom here. That way I don't have to worry about pee on the seat. And they get to clean their own bathroom. So it comes with a little instruction booklet. And that is what it looks like. Very manly, very sleek. Very much for the boys' room. The boys' bathroom. Then we have Vojak in-ear headphones, ergonomic bass earbuds. Those are not for me. I have a hard time with earbuds. And then we have a Liberax beard straightener. I think he bought it for his brother as a gag gift. Because his brother's always teasing him that his beard hair looks like pubes. But my brother-in-law looks like a bearskin rug when he takes off his shirt. It's very straight. And my husband always teases him. He's like, "What do? You use a straightener on that thing, or like air? You know, you condition it with the conditioner while you're in the shower every day. What's up with that?" So they're boys. All right. Pedvic wide angle lens and macro lens are screwed together. Ring in on the clip is slide. What is this? 4-in-1 phone camera lens. I'm assuming that's for me because my husband doesn't take pictures of like anything. So we have little instruction cardboard thing, a nice case. And it's like it's got a little tripod. Just a whole kit. That's kind of cool. And then we have this, which I'm not going to take out of the package because I know exactly what this is. It's a unisex infant support newborn. It's like a little padded thing for like changing a baby. It's for his nephew. His nephew just had a baby. And then I also know what these are because we were laughing when about it when he got them because he didn't think it would be something I'd be interested in. It's like a graffiti purse. It's got a little pocket here. And then one of these little twist clasps. And it's got a little pocket here on the flap. And then it's got another enclosure flap. And then it's got a pocket here. And then it's got little pockets on the inside. And then it has a chain strap with another strap that's weaved in. And it's purple and black are the base colors. But it looks like a spray painted graffiti wall. I kind of dig that. And when my husband finds a theme, he runs with it. So of course he had to buy another one. This one's base colors are like pink, green, and white. There's a little pouch there. It has the chain with a leather comfort strap there at the top. It unzips and has a longer shoulder strap in here. On this, it's got two sections. So on this side it has the little like cell phone pockets, and then the pocket in the middle And then it's got another zipper pocket on this section. And that is this box. So that's exactly what my husband's been buying on WhatNot. Now, I know he has another box coming in from a different site or a different channel, because there's more than just one channel. This came from Cam Art, and the other one is, I don't know what it is. I'll figure it out when it gets here. But yeah, so that's what my husband buys when he's up at midnight doing his midnight shopping on WhatNot. Oh, this is still very, very wet. Now I'm going to edit out some of those crinkles and stuff like that of the boxes moving around and stuff. So probably won't be a full, what is it now, 20 minutes? So it probably won't be 20 minutes long. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed whatever this was. Unboxing my husband's midnight shopping addiction. And I can leave WhatNot linked below. Pretty sure it's an app though. Alright, so go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff is below. Go check out the playlist and send the other ladies some love. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the